Why did Yahoo have to ruin a perfectly good interface if the latest Yahoo Mail interface is driving you crazy with lag, weird formatting, or missing features to which you were used to? Stop trying to understand it. There is actually a built-in settings right now that allow you to switch back to Yahoo Mail Classic View, old version of Yahoo Mail right now, from your desktop and mobile, which reverts your inbox back to the traditional look you actually like. But before we start, let's address the elephant in the room, as most people are interested in the 2000s version of Yahoo Mail. That specific version permanently got discontinued and was replaced with Basic Mail, which is a lightweight, clean, text-based layout that functions exactly like the old version. And there are 3 Yahoo layouts available to the public right now, and I'll show you how to switch between them. The first one is the new Yahoo Mail, the current modern interface, the classic/old Yahoo Mail, the previous featured desktop layout, and the third one is the Basic Mail, the lightweight HTML version designed for older browsers, slower computers, or users who want a simpler interface. Alright, and I have to deliver another difficult message for you guys who use Yahoo on Android and iOS mobile devices. You can't change any version or interface from the Yahoo Mail app, but there is a tiny hack, a workaround, and I will show you what to do once we get there. For now, for the desktop users, we have to open an internet browser of your choice like Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, Safari, and in the URL address bar search for mail.yahoo.com and sign in into your account. Now let's look exactly where to click so you can switch to Yahoo Basic Mail once for all. If you're starting from the newest current version, you will have to click on the 3 dots on the menu on the left where you can find more and then select settings. Now down below you can find a very small text which says switch back to old Yahoo Mail. Click that to change to classic/old Yahoo Mail interface, and a pop-up for feedback will appear. It's just optional, you can skip it if you'd like. Press on send feedback, and once you have completed this step, your Yahoo layout will completely change. This is the Yahoo Mail Classic View. You can stick with it, or if you want to get the oldest available version of Yahoo Mail, the Basic Mail, then you'll have to click on settings from the top right, select more settings and click on switch to Basic Mail in the left side menu. By doing so, you will get the Basic Mail version, and that's how to switch to Yahoo Basic Mail. You can switch between them at any time. If you change your mind, you can get back to the newest modern Yahoo Mail layout by clicking on try the new Yahoo Mail from the top. Now we got to the classic/old Yahoo Mail, and to get to the newest we have to press on try the new Yahoo Mail. Unfortunately, you really have to go through all of them. If you want to switch to the newest or to the oldest, you have to get through all of them. For the mobile phone users, I have to deliver a difficult message. You can change versions inside the Yahoo Mail application if that's what you're using, but there is a workaround. Open an internet browser on your phone like Google Chrome. I would recommend you to open this one just because I'm the most used to it, and search in the URL address bar mail.yahoo.com and sign in into your account. Now before we are going to do anything, let's quickly change the appearance with another one which is more desktop like. You can do that by tapping on the 3 dots from the bottom right corner and by selecting request desktop site. Now let's try to change versions of Yahoo Mail but on a mobile phone. Tap on the 3 lines from the top right and select settings. Under general you may see either switch to the newest Yahoo Mail or either go to Basic Mail. Press on it to surf between versions and the page will reload automatically. Let's go again to settings by pressing on the 3 lines first, and this now it's a little bit different. Now I can see go back to Basic Mail instead of anything else. Shortly, every time you do that will be a little bit different, and that's how to change to older or newer versions of Yahoo Mail on a mobile phone. So that being said, I hope this tutorial helped you out on how to switch back to Yahoo Mail on a desktop or on a mobile phone. A comment will be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.